it's Jade from Sweet Softies. I'm excited to share with you my newest design. This is the Pinewood Puppy, and as you can see, it's a cute little hooded puppy that's ready to go outdoors and camping. It's a really fun make because there's minimal sewing involved in this project. In fact, the only bit of sewing you need to do is actually to attach the ears. So if you didn't want to add ears to this doll, and if you wanted to make it a human version, no ears, you can go ahead and make it all in one piece. It's the arms and the legs are all joined with crochet methods. The hood is crocheted onto the head. You could pull it down, but I also have a couple options to make this a removable hood if you want to as well. And the scarf is pretty much attached to the doll too. And what's awesome is that the Pinewood Puppy comes with a little bed here. You'll see that it has a mattress pad inside. I include instructions in my pattern on how to make this cute little pad. Super easy. And this basket bed will fit the little Pinewood Puppy quite nicely. And he also has a blanket that goes with this whole set. So you can make it into a nice little toy set. And what's lovely about the blanket is that I really played around with different textures here. And I had a fun time doing so, and I realized both sides of the blanket look pretty textured and neat. So you can really use whichever side. There's really no right or wrong side here. At least I can't tell because they both look really cool. Anyhow, I'm sure little ones will love to play with the Pinewood Puppy because they get to tuck the little puppy into bed. And you can also encourage little ones to go outdoors with their Pinewood Puppy, take them out for a walk, whether it's in the neighborhood or maybe a woodsy trail for hiking, or take this little guy out when you go camping. All right, and if you want to check out, I do have so many other patterns with animals, and you can easily change out these puppy dog ears with like cat ears or bunny ears, really whatever you'd like, and make it a different animal. All right, my pattern includes modifications for the human body base as well. It's slightly smaller than the puppy. I don't think you could really tell from the video, but actually, I can't really tell looking at them now, but the human doll was made a couple rounds shorter for the body and for the arms, whereas the puppy dog is a little bit longer. And I just crocheted on, or not crocheted on, but I stitched on some of the hair. So you can do that too if you'd like. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and hope you like my projects. These little guys will be in a PDF pattern together, and if you want to make this fun little bed, this will be available on my blog too for free, along with the blanket. So this will be a fun make. All right, take care and have a fun time crafting. Bye now.